this violence.
Symbud Myntri Rangbah ke Jylla bat ru badai pet ya katanat ki kampo yang ba preston tensong hanin ke sniu la pentip bat ula batha ki pulit ban bud dien ya ki bedon kti ha ka ban pen ya ka social media page kata ka legal rights observatory la ban pen kan mau ba min ha ka arp sautri unaitung ka ken hon ka bakin thup ya katu kaningut ki briu kila shok la dat ya ka we ka nong shong dukan ukhun jongka bat ya ki bawan money blay ha yeng mane Mahadev Khola temple Henry hadian kane ka jingjia kamde kane ka jingjia kamde ka jingya phe Ben Rio kat kum ke jing batai ki pulit kat ba ka legal rights observatory kala ken tho ba ki ba le ya kane ki de ki khot ka KHASI students union lane KSU uba tin song ula ben rap ba ki pulit kila ya shakmat ban bud dien ya ki badon kti ban tho haka page legal rights observatory.
It has got nothing to do religiously. It has got nothing to do with with any particular religion. But you see in the social media, I have seen it. They are talk. And one so-called organization, LRO, lot of comments they made. And now I've given the instruction to the police department, track these people. Who are these people? I've seen the comment they made so much, which I personally feel, these people, they are not at all a true residents of India. If they are, they cannot just give such an irresponsible statement.
Kumshi binta